Everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today in this video we are going to be doing a really big haul from one of my favorite stores, Mountain Rose Herbs. So for those of you who aren't familiar, Mountain Rose Herbs is essentially a company that wholesales carrier oils, essential oils, any type of bulk ingredient such as waxes, natural clays, specialty teas, loose leaf teas, and they sell a number of things, natural ingredients that you would need for making your own home products. But the one thing that I really love about this company is they practice the fair trade initiative, meaning that they are paying a fair price for the products that they are outsourcing. And by them paying a fair price for those things, their creators and their distributors are able to pay a fair and living wage to their workers. So it's a full cycle, and that's one of the reasons why I will always support this company. I have been using this specific company for probably about 5 or 6 years, or even more. But I really swear by this company. I wouldn't share it if it wasn't good. So before we get started, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, especially if you are interested in some of the recipes that I'm getting ready to come out with, as far as body butters, body scrubs, lip scrubs, natural deodorants. It's a lot, but you won't know about it if you don't hit the notification bell or subscribe. So just go ahead and do that. So let's get started. So first, I want to start off with my carrier oils. So I purchased a few of them. I don't know if you all can see. So the first one is Refined Sweet Almond Oil. This is like a go-to oil. You can use this for literally anything. On some more hemp seed oil, which is really good for your skin, especially if you have like dry skin. It's really good. Avocado oil. Fractionated coconut oil. I've already used a bit of it for a recipe that will be coming out soon, so stay tuned. But yeah, fractionated coconut oil is essentially, it's coconut oil, but they process it a little bit more to keep it in this liquid state. So they extract a few more fats, which is okay. It's a bit more processed, but it's very good for cosmetic use. So yeah, these are all the oils. Yeah. Okay, next we have two. Okay, I'm just because it's hard to categorize these. So first we have rosemary antioxidant. I don't know if you can see that. So this is 2 ounces. Next we have rosehip seed oil. And lastly we have marula oil. Okay, next we have I kind of went overboard on the essential oils, and I had to open this stuff up before I showed you all. So I had to put them in a plastic. This is how much I got. So quickly, I got camphor oil. Set that right there. I got the Breathe Blend oil. These are new on their site. So it's just basically a mixture of essential oils. That I got clary sage essential oil. What else did I get? Cypress essential oil. And these are all certified organic. They come in different sizes. Some are more expensive than others, of course. Juniper berry. This one I'm very excited to try. This is a new one for me. We have sweet orange. I love this essential oil because it's such a bright oil, and if you're someone who needs a bit of a pick-me-up, this is a really good oil for your diffuser. We have the calming blend. So I'm coming out with a recipe for my sister who is getting ready to have a baby, and I wanted to use this blend for a roller essential oil recipe while she is in labor to kind of help her stay calm during her labor. Geranium. So this is a more of a flowery scent. Palmarosa oil, essential oil. And lastly, we have Palo Santo. Really excited about this oil because I'm going to use it in my diffuser. Okay, so next we have our dry ingredients, if you will. Now we have our moringa leaf powder. I love moringa. I put it in my smoothies. I use it in my hair products. This is just a really good super powder. Hibiscus flowers cut. So I used to do a hibiscus hair mask where I would cut up, well, I had hibiscus powder and I would put it in, you know, a mixture for my hair mask, and it would really come out just like so soft, so vibrant. It's amazing. So I wanted to get the whole flower so I could use it in a few more recipes that I have. Next we have jojoba meal. It's like a dark, it's like a sugar consistency. So the reason why I purchased jojoba meal is because I want to do a lip scrub video as well as a body scrub. And I know traditionally we use sugar, like a turbinado sugar, you know, a thicker sugar. But I wanted to use jojoba meal because this, get this, once they have processed the jojoba plant or shrub, or whatever it's called, seed, jojoba seed, they dry it out and they create this meal, and you can use it as a exfoliant agent. And so that's what I'm gonna do. So I got my jojoba oil and then I got the jojoba meal. So why not be more sustainable? Okay, that's what I keep telling myself. So yeah, I'm excited about this. Next we have some more dry ingredients. So here we have French green clay. So I'm excited about using this clay because I love making face masks, if you haven't already known this. I have citric acid. Turn it around. So this is a bulk ingredient. It's categorized as a bulk ingredient, but I bought this because I love making my own cleaning products. That's another thing about me. And citric acid is it can be used, so a lot of people use it when they are canning goods, you know, jarred goods, but you can use it as a cleaning agent because it can be very abrasive. So a lot of people use this in like their bathtub cleaners or toilet cleaners. So I like to use this a lot. Then we have stearic acid. This is another bulk ingredient that can be used in cleaning products. It's really all that I use it for. Maybe not cosmetic, but definitely for cleaning products. So yeah, these are all my, oh, I forgot one. Arrowroot powder. So this is like, think cornstarch, tapioca starch. It's all the same. This is a natural deodorizer, and a lot of people use this in their homemade deodorants, which is what I'm going to use it for, because I am tired of paying an arm and a leg for natural aluminum-free deodorants when I can just make my own. And I made some in the past and I didn't like them, so I'm trying out a new recipe. Then for the containers, we have our tins. These are like a joy, okay? These are compact, they're deep. I use these for any type of balm that I'm giving away or it's for myself. Okay, next we have jars. So I purchased these 16-ounce jars. I use these for my carrier oils. Anytime I'm refilling oils or buying in bulk, I make sure to use a amber glass jar to store the oil that I will be using, and I just refill it over and over and over again. Then we have, sorry for the noise, we have our dropper bottle. Then we have our traditional spray bottles. I will be making a air freshener, car air freshener, but I wanted to have a glass jar for that because I will be using essential oils, and that's very important when you are using essential oils to house them in a cool dark glass jar, because you want to preserve the oil for as long as you can. So it's just best if you keep it in a glass jar. If you can only do a glass jar, make sure it's a glass jar. And lastly, I have some essential oil bottles. It's just a little dropper bottle, and I'm going to be making my own essential oil blends because I'm extra. I can't help it. Then, as if I didn't need anything else, I purchased these lip balm tubes. You guys, I am a lip gloss connoisseur, and I have yet to find a lip balm that works for me. And I just decided, I'm like, you know what, you make everything else, why not just make a lip balm? So I'm going to be creating my own, and I know I will have extras left over, and maybe I'll do a giveaway. I don't know, we'll see. I may do a giveaway if I have extras, but you have to be subscribed. Yeah. So this is the last of my containers, and then I have one final surprise. It's really a surprise for me because it's not really a surprise because I know, but yeah, okay. All right. So for the final piece, surprise product, drum roll please. I was piss poor, but okay. Mortar and pestle. You guys, I have wanted one of these for ages, okay? And here is how I'm going to justify this purchase. Watch and learn, okay? I purchased some hibiscus flowers, whole flowers, and in order for me to use them in my hair products, they need to be crushed up. You see where I'm going? So in order for me to crush them up, I need a mortar and pestle. So that's how I justified this purchase, and I'm sticking to it. Let's open the box. Okay, sorry for the noise. Not sorry. Okay, first we have this piece. It's beautiful marble. Beautiful. It's beautiful texture. Beautiful. We don't need this box. Oh, okay. So here we have it. This is your standard mortar and pestle. It's inside. It's amazing. So this concludes the haul. I bought a lot, okay? Typically I don't buy this much, but I have to create a number of products this month for family, for friends, and I needed some extra ingredients and a few extra wants, maybe. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to leave me a comment. Let me know what was one of your favorite products that I showed you. I will make sure to link all of the products that I've showed you all in the description box below. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that notification bell, so next time I post a tutorial, a DIY, you'll know about it. Because what's worse than not knowing that your favorite YouTuber created a video, posted it, and you didn't know about it? I don't know what it is. Okay. No, but thank you guys so much. I love you all. Have a wonderful week. Be great, because you are great. Bye.